you could create stunning, professional-quality kids' designs in just minutes without ever touching complicated software, hiring a freelancer, or spending a dime on design tools. Introducing KiddoCraft AI, the world's first AI-powered design app made exclusively for kids-focused businesses, teachers, parents, and digital entrepreneurs. Let's face it, creating high-quality, child-friendly designs is expensive, time-consuming, and overwhelming. You need skills, software, and sometimes a whole design team. That's not just frustrating, it's limiting. Meanwhile, the kids' design industry is booming, with thousands of creators cashing in on everything from kids' party printables to educational activity books. So why should you miss out? That's why we built KiddoCraft AI, a beginner-friendly, AI-powered platform that lets anyone create kids' designs in just minutes. No design skills, no coding, no monthly fees, just pure creativity at your fingertips. From playful logos, eye-catching packaging, colorful invitations, printable activity sheets, and even merch designs, KiddoCraft AI gives you everything you need to create, sell, and profit from kids' designs. Fast. With 35+ high-demand categories, there's no limit to what you can create. With our beginner-friendly platform, there is zero learning curve, zero technical skills, budget, or tools required. Get started with KiddoCraft AI in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log in and access your dashboard. No downloads, no complicated setup. Simply log in and you're inside your very own AI-powered design studio. Step 2. Choose design category and create. Choose the design category you want to create. We have tons of design categories. Give the AI instructions, and in seconds, your design is ready. Step 3. Export, sell, and profit. Download your finished designs instantly, sell them online or offline, and start growing your kids' design business today. Here's what you can create inside KiddoCraft AI. Branding and logos. Instantly craft playful, trust-building logos for toy stores, daycares, kids' products, and more. Packaging and labels. Design vibrant, fun labels for snacks, drinks, crafts, you name it. Promotional materials. Flyers, brochures, and banners designed to wow both kids and parents. Interior and signage. Welcome signs, menus, display boards, bring any space to life. Event designs. Make birthdays, baby showers, and school events unforgettable. Educational materials. Flashcards, activity sheets, coloring books. Learning has never looked this fun. Merchandise designs. T-shirts, mugs, tote bags. Get creative with memorable merch. Digital printables. Generate unlimited digital content you can sell, gift, or use in your classroom. Here's why KiddoCraft AI is hands down the best kids design platform on the market today. Create simplicity. Zero learning curve. Commercial license included. Sell your designs right away. No extra fees. Instant export in multiple formats. Ready to print, share, or sell. Studio quality templates. Designed to meet real-world demand in education, e-commerce, and events. One-time investment. Get lifetime access with zero monthly fees. Every design you create can be sold as a physical or digital product. Sell on Etsy, Amazon KDP, or even to your local schools and stores. This is a powerful tool built for income generation, not just creativity. The kids' design market is evergreen, growing, and hungry for fresh content. Whether it's back-to-school season, holiday events, or year-round learning tools, the demand never stops. Now is the perfect time to tap into this booming space with a tool that gives you everything you need, without the tech headaches or steep learning curve. So if you're ready to unlock unlimited creativity, generate multiple income streams, and build a kids' design brand you're proud of, then now's the time to get started. Click the button below to get instant access to KiddoCraft AI and start creating stunning kids' designs in minutes. No design skills needed, no subscriptions, no outsourcing, 100% beginner-friendly. Just one idea, one printable, one product can change everything. And with KiddoCraft AI, creating it is just a click away. KiddoCraft AI, where creativity meets simplicity. Let's create something amazing together. Using KiddoCraft AI is super simple, so let's dive in. This is your dashboard. If you're using the version that requires your own API key, the very first thing you'll need to do is add your Gemini API key. Just head over to Settings, then click on the Gemini API tab. From here, follow the instructions. Click Google AI Studio to open the Google AI Studio page. If you've already created an API key, you'll see it listed there. Just click on it and hit Copy. If you don't have one yet, click Create API Key. Choose a project or create a new one, and then hit Create API Key. Copy your new key. Now jump back to KiddoCraft AI. Paste your API key in the box and click Save API Key. If everything went well, you'll see the status change to Configured. That means you're ready to start creating designs. Next, click Create Design. Choose a category and then a design type. For example, let's pick Toy Store logo. Enter your design details. Remember, the more specific you are, the better the results. Then hit Generate Design and give it a moment to process. KiddoCraft AI will give you 4 different design variations to pick from. You can resize the canvas, export your final design, or generate new ones if you want to try again. You can also save your work, and all saved designs will show up in the My Design menu. And that's it! Creating with KiddoCraft AI is really that easy. Ready to try it yourself? Start creating with KiddoCraft AI today and bring your ideas to life in just minutes.